Welcome to BREUCA, a project that aims the development of a high-precision virtual reality simulator to be used in professional simulation and a gaming environment, allowing simulator users to compete in real time against racers on the track, immersing users in an environment so real as possible. Virtual reality is used today in the most diverse simulator games. Currently, the most advanced simulators use virtual reality integrated with motion systems, combining visual perception with physical sensation to reach levels of realism never before imagined. In motor racing, the use of simulators is increasingly important, both in the evolution of drivers, in the reduction of development or engineering costs, and in environmental protection. But there is an added difficulty, that is the precision that has to be obeyed to represent a real added value for the pilots. What if we could combine esports with real sport? This was the challenge that, in the first instance, led the consortium to look into the development of this project, to consider potential technological solutions, and simultaneously validate the relevance of the topic with professionals. Put game players to compete against the racers on the track, either in real time, while the race is happening, or with the driver's saved data. Who didn't dream of trying to beat the mythical lap of Ayrton Senna in Monaco? The BREUCA project is based on technical and scientific research in several areas, such as mixed reality, real-time track versus simulated, and simulation reliability. Seeking to detail the technological development component of the mixed VR proposed in this project, the solution envisaged involves placing two lenses in front of the headset that allows the pilot's hands to be seen in stethoscopy. This information will be passed to the VR system, which will create a skeleton hand system that will be used within the game engine to create virtual hands that represent the pilot's hands in real time. The system proposed consists of the development of an electronic module fully developed within the scope of the project, which is composed of a data acquisition system with calculation power, and another system integrated within the real-time data transmission device. It will not only capture the signals, but will also actively use them to obtain representative metrics of the vehicle's performance and its performance in real time, essential to describe the grip levels and actual track conditions that will be used to match the simulation conditions. The goal is to develop modularly programmed physics and dynamic models. To guarantee the success of the simulation reliability, a very important part of the project resources is dedicated to the characterization of the real vehicle through its instrumentation, with the most advanced and precise sensors that we can find on the market today. The defined models of the circuits will be digitized using LiDAR digitization technologies, which allows not only a visual representation of the circuit, but also obtaining the three-dimensional soil profile, to used in the physical calculation engine to increase the accuracy of the results to be used in the simulator. This is one of the main points of the project, as all actions and reactions of the pilots will be conditioned by what they receive and feel in the simulator. The system developed throughout the project can become a reference between gamers and racing game brands, where the software can then be the target of technology transfer and start to be used in another type of simulations. This solution is already in demand by the Formula One teams and promoters who sponsor this world competition, and in this initial approach, the interest that the product will have in the market among the teams and promoters who accompany the major Formula One events was easily visible. BREUCA is a project developed by a consortium that has as leader the company SketchPixel Multimedia and Visual Effects, which operates in the computer graphics and technological innovation sector, seeking to create top-quality solutions for advertising, communication, architecture, and games. The project has as co-promoters two higher education institutions of the National Scientific and Technological System, the Polytechnic Institute of Tomar and the University of Minho, and the Bubblecode startup company, which is a technical partner of Atecmo, a Spanish company specialized in the testing and development of tires for racing cars, in the design and production of bespoke electronic and software solutions. Other partners in this consortium are Altice, Formula E and the National Cartódromo de Braga. The BREUCA project has a team of 20 specialized professionals. From Sketchpixel, Miguel Abreu is responsible for coordinating the entire team and for the coordination of the project implementation. Sandra Jardim, integrated member of the Smart Cities Research Center, is the principal investigator of the team of 9 researchers at the Polytechnic Institute of Tomar. Pedro Patricio, integrated member of the Mathematics Center, is the principal investigator of the team of 6 researchers at the University of Minho. Emilio Lozano is in charge of the Bubble Code team. Do you have questions about BREUCA? Our team wants to ensure that you receive the best information possible. From the simplest to the most complex inquiries, we are here to help, so, if you have any doubt, if you want to know more about this project, or if you are just curious, contact us.